Hello, my name is Cindy Tuck. My website name is NOLA West Bank Homes. Brokered by Keller Williams Realty on West Bank. Please notice the buttons on your screen where you can get more information. There is an icon at bottom of this screen to view a still photo gallery. Please enjoy the tour. This is 224 Adonis Way in Terrytown, Louisiana. This will not be my normal tour, because this is a distressed home needing much repair. I will be showing all the deficiencies, so that all prospective buyers know exactly what this is. Note, there are several short videos throughout this tour, and this will give you a better perspective of the condition of the home. As you can see, the driveway needs repair. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This is a floor plan of the home. I hope this will help you follow the flow of the property. This is 1,348 square feet of living area, and the patio in back makes it 1,600 square foot total. This is the patio in back of home, where we will enter for this tour. Back door entrance into den. Den from back entrance. You can see home is in disarray. This is the den, laundry, storage area. This shows you that the den was an add-on to what was an all-brick home. The flooring was removed in this area, and it is now a concrete floor. Storage area in den. This is the view of kitchen and living room from doorway from den. This shows the living room, part of kitchen, and hallway entrance to rest of the home. This is the kitchen. Except for one door, cabinets and counters are still intact, but the appliances are missing. This is the living room showing the front door entrance. Ceramic tile is cracked. Hallway from kitchen to bedrooms and baths. This is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 closet and room entrance. This is the hall bathroom. Bedroom number 3. Looking toward hallway and master bathroom from inside of the master bedroom. View of master bedroom from the doorway.